Are you tired of paying massive monthly fees for AI tools, expensive copywriters, and slow freelancers? What if you could replace all of them with 20 highly trained AI agents working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at a brand new release called ManyAgents AI. Here is the honest truth up front. ManyAgents AI is a huge time and money saver if you are a beginner. It is an all-in-one dashboard that wraps powerful AI into easy-to-use digital workers. For under 20 bucks, it easily replaces your basic content creation subscriptions. However, there is a catch with the upsell funnel, which I will explain in a minute. Stick around because I also have a custom bonus bundle worth thousands that you can only get through my link below. So, what exactly is ManyAgents AI? It is a cloud-based software designed specifically for new affiliate marketers, agency owners, and business owners who have zero technical skills and no big advertising budget. If you've ever caught yourself saying, I don't know how to make videos, write sales pages, or get traffic, this tool solves that exact problem. It gives you 20 specific AI workers. One handles your search engine optimization, another builds your sales funnels, another writes your daily emails, and another creates your video content. You just type a simple keyword or use the voice command feature, and it does the heavy lifting for you in under 60 seconds. Let's jump into the dashboard. As you'll see on the screen, it is completely newbie-friendly. There's no confusing code or tech setup. On the left side menu, you have your 20 AI agents. Let's say you need a high-converting sales funnel for a Warrior Plus offer. You simply click on Olivia Roberts, the funnel specialist agent. You type in what your product is about and hit generate. In seconds, you have a complete layout. Need a promotional video to go with it? Click on Liam Murphy, the video creator agent. Type your prompt and you get an AI video ready to publish. You don't need to juggle 10 different browser tabs or pay for separate monthly subscriptions. Everything you need to launch and sell is right here inside one dashboard.
Warning, your full attention is required. Your life is about to change forever after watching this video. Imagine this. Within just minutes from now, you gain access to the world's first AI app. Supercharged with Google's highly trained and experienced 20 AI agents that handles every single marketing task you've ever struggled with, including building websites, creating sales funnels, sending email campaigns, designing AI images, crafting Ultra HD videos, writing high-converting copy, developing video courses, generating voiceovers, managing social media, composing video songs, creating chatbots, designing logos, ranking websites with SEO, and so much more. And the best part, it drives hundreds of thousands of visitors and sales to your business on complete autopilot, without you lifting a finger. Sounds life-changing? Because it is. Look, running an online business has never been easy. Between hiring copywriters, web designers, video editors, SEO experts, social media managers, and ad agencies, the costs add up fast. We're talking thousands of dollars every single month, just to keep the lights on. Or worse, you try to do it all yourself, burning through sleepless nights, juggling a dozen different tools, none of which talk to each other, and still getting zero results. But what if there was a better way? What if you had 20 expert AI agents working for you 24/7, each one trained by Google, completing every marketing task on your to-do list, automatically while you sleep? Introducing ManyAgents AI, the world's first AI app supercharged with Google's 20 highly trained AI agents that complete all your marketing tasks and drives hundreds of thousands of traffic and sales on complete autopilot. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. With ManyAgents AI, you don't just save money, you make money. Start offering premium AI services to clients and pocket the difference. We're talking a full-blown agency income without the agency overhead. Finally, this revolutionary technology puts the power of an entire marketing team inside one simple dashboard, and you control it all with just a few clicks. With ManyAgents AI, you can develop stunning professional websites, no coding needed. Create high-converting sales funnels that sell while you sleep. Send automated email and SMS campaigns to thousands instantly. Design jaw-dropping AI images, graphics, and 3D artistic visuals. Craft Ultra HD AI videos and AI avatar videos. With ease, write high-converting copy for ads, emails, and landing pages. Build full video courses and sell them for passive income. Generate realistic voiceovers in any language, any accent. Stunning logos and brand assets in seconds. Rank your websites on Google with built-in AI SEO. Create intelligent chatbots that close sales for you 24/7. Manage all your social media accounts from one place. Compose original video songs and AI stock media assets. Create stunning ebooks across dozens of niches. Provide done-for-you AI services to paying clients. This next-gen AI powerhouse lets you say goodbye to paying expensive freelancers and agencies, juggling 15 different tools and subscriptions, wasting hours on tasks that AI can do in seconds, getting zero traffic, zero sales, and zero results. Now it's time to experience the true power of having 20 Google-trained AI agents working around the clock, generating automated traffic and sales on complete autopilot. ManyAgents AI is built for everyone. Even complete beginners with zero technical experience can start profiting from day one. All it takes is 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Activate login and unleash your 20 AI agents. each one ready to execute your marketing tasks instantly. Step 2. Automate. Let your AI agents build websites, run campaigns, create content, and drive thousands of visitors, all on autopilot. Step 3. Profit watch the sales roll in. Keep the profits, or offer AI services to clients and multiply your income. It honestly doesn't get any better than this. Ask yourself, is there anything else on the market that gives you 20 Google-trained AI agents, each one specialized in a different area of marketing, all working for you simultaneously inside one app? There isn't. Right now, you can grab an exclusive early bird discount that gives you full lifetime access to ManyAgents AI for less than the price of a dinner out. But hurry, once our capacity is reached, the doors close permanently, and there's zero risk, thanks to our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get ManyAgents AI at the lowest one-time price ever. We'll see you on the inside.
Now, let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front end of ManyAgents AI is just $16.99. This is a one-time payment that gets you in the door. But to be totally transparent with you, right after you buy, you'll be presented with a sales funnel containing 5 different optional upgrades. These range from $27 to $47 each. Here's my advice. You don't need all of them to see results. Grab the front-end offer first. If you want to completely remove the usage limits and use this software to do freelance work for clients, I highly recommend picking up OTO1 for $37. You can safely skip the rest of the funnel unless you specifically want their done-for-you agency setups. I want to make this an absolute no-brainer for you. If you pick up ManyAgents AI through the first link in the description, you're getting my exclusive App Verdict bonus package. I handpicked these 10 premium tools to cover any missing features and help you get traffic and leads instantly. Here's exactly what you get when you buy through my link. Bonus 1. Lead Book Generator. This tool easily integrates your Facebook lead ads to automatically build your email list. Bonus 2, Opt-in Monster. This adds high-converting floating opt-in panels to your site to capture more subscribers on autopilot. Bonus 3, Facebook Viral Turbo Machine. This tool forces people to share your content before they get access, bringing you massive free social traffic. Bonus 4, Article Analyzer. This software analyzes your content to make sure it ranks high on Google for free search traffic. Bonus 5, Soci Buzzinar. This supercharges your social sharing, getting your website visitors to promote your pages for you. Bonus 6, Social Media Viral Content Builder. This allows you to lock your best content so users have to share it to unlock it. Bonus 7, Conversion Equalizer, a proven automated method to instantly boost your conversions and get much cheaper clicks. Bonus 8, Affiliate System for Product Owners, a complete software system to let other people sell your products and bring you leads. Bonus 9, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact sliders that link directly to your affiliate offers or your YouTube videos. Bonus 10, Viral Master List Builder, a complete video training that teaches you how to build a massive list of hungry buyers on complete autopilot. These 10 bonuses alone are worth hundreds of dollars, and they're yours completely free when you buy ManyAgents AI today. But please listen closely. I'm only giving this specific bonus package to the first 50 action takers. Once those 50 spots are gone, my system will remove these bonuses permanently. I do this to make sure my buyers get an unfair advantage over the competition. Don't miss out on this. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy of ManyAgents AI and lock in your 10 exclusive bonuses. Thank you for watching this review on App Verdict. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about the software, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and marketing strategies. To claim your bonuses, simply purchase through the link below, then email your receipt to the address listed in the description. My team will send your bonus access link right away. Get started now, and I'll see you in the next video.